here's our tablescape. Start out with, this is my dishes. Of course, it's been thrifted, and they're some of my favorites. Here's our napkin. It's a purple rose, white plate, and a silver charger. Here's my cloche, and it's got a crystal. It has purple flowers, a crystal crown, and the Bible in it. Our runner says he is risen, the true meaning of Easter. And I have my little pink and yellow cross, a little butterfly. Our flowers are in a teacup with some purple flowers and some candles. This tablescape, it was all about my table runner. That's how I started. That's my inspiration. With the flowers and stuff on the table runner, and then he is risen, since that is the theme of our tablescape today. I hope you like my table, and since this is the true meaning of Easter.